So I finished working on all the little bitty things. Last thing you saw me was to put the rug in. I glued that down. And so now let's start putting the house together. A couple of things that I did when, what you didn't see is I put this, I don't know what you call it, a little lattice on top of here, and I put the little scones up there. So let's get started. I'm gonna tell you, this project should look like this. Like I said before, there was too much stuff going on, and I wanted to challenge myself to see what I would come up with. So I came up with this. I hope you guys like it. And I'm going to tell you, I thought I got this from Amazon, but I don't think so, because it was missing a part, and I don't see it on, you know how you go to your orders. So I must have ordered off of Etsy or somebody, I don't know. It didn't come with any glue. It was missing the movement element. And yeah, but that's pretty much it. I didn't use all the little pieces here, and I'll show you what I did use. Hold on, I have one cell left in this battery. Okay, got that battery in there. So let's get started. So let's start off with the sofa. I made the sofa. I made a mistake. I could not get this to stick together. So you can see the hot glue was the only thing that will hold this type of vinyl together. So that's what it is. But for my first time, I think it's okay. You see this here, that is for the battery pack. But I put the battery pack on the other side of the wall. So we have our sofa here. Then the next item was to be this here, and a little kitty cat and a rug. So what I did was I made this one here. Bling, bling, bling. Okay, there we go. And I found a little rug on the Macy's advertisement. Excuse my voice. I have had issues with my throat lately, and end up going to the hospital for this, and I still have to go and have a specialist look at my throat, so bear with me. So here's our kitty cat. I put some little sticky paper on it because I know you don't want to be bothered with me trying to pull this off. This is double-sided from the dollar store, and he's gonna go here. I'm going to glue everything down because I do plan on making more, but I want to make them from scratch or from DIY, doing it myself. Okay, so now what else? I tell you the worst part of this. Let's put this blue cabinet. I painted it as you guys saw, if I showed the clip. I painted it white, and I put a little fake mirror and two little, I don't know what you call them, beads on there. And so that's gonna go right here. And I put this little sticky stuff, putty, because I am going to eventually glue everything down. I don't think I'm going to mess around with this one anymore. I think I like to start another one, as I said. Next thing is, well, we should have this cabinet here. This is just too busy, even though this is busy too, but not as busy as that. So what I have is from the dollar store. They had these little jars, so I'm going to put this in the corner over there. And I had an old flower, excuse me, that I tore up and that is going to be our corner, a little corner item in place of that. Let's put that over there. See if I can get that over there without and there you go. I don't know how well you guys are seeing this. Okay, so the next item is, I got this one here, that one there. Then it just comes to decorating. So I did, the little flowers. So there were, I don't think you can see the scone here that I put in here. I'll raise this up. See that little scone right there? Well, it was a whole one. So one is supposed to be for the scone and the other is for a flower. And if I showed the video previously, me doing it, you've seen it, what it looks like. And if not, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is how it came out. I had a really rough time trying to get that glue. I don't like that glue. I need some of that small glue, and I wanted the red to go with the oops, I've been doing that a lot lately, dropping I dropped this. I thought diamond painting was going to be something. I've been dropping this, but then I have this one here that I'm not sure which one is going to be the final. I like the red because it brings in, because at one point I was thinking about doing a red rug. So, but for now, I'm going to put this one right here. I hope I can get it on there. Okay. Turn it a little bit. There we go. Okay, then next thing is I made a big tray and it was too big. Now these from the dollar store, they're a little chalkboard looking item with a paper clip on the back. That was just a little bit too big for this. So what I did was I'm missing some pieces, you guys. I cut one down. As soon as I find it, I'm telling you, I've been losing stuff. Okay, let me see if I can move on then. Okay. Hold. No, what did I do with that? That's interesting. Hold on. Okay, so I cut this from these stickers that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and it's going to be a little serving tray right there. I did put a little putty on here, and it does also come off, because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that one. I think I should. So far, that's what we have. The next thing is the tray. I was talking about the tray. So I made the tray, and the hardest little thing was this darn candle. So this is the tray that I made. I might still have glue on my hands. And so this little tray is gonna go right there. And for now, I'm not quite sure where I want to put this candle. You guys, I don't know if it should go right here. What do you think? Or if it should go over there. For now, I'll just put it right there. See, that's what's been going on. And y'all don't want to see me go through all this. Tell you. Whew. That's the hardest part. It's still not quite dry. I don't like that white stuff. Anyway, I already said that. Oh my goodness, I lost my plant there. I need to get some of that quick setting glue. What is that glue? Like that. One fast 5 minute, 1 minute. The liquid type, not this stuff here. This is a headache, and I have so. Anyway, let's not go there. Okay, so what's next is the worst part of this whole project was making these darn pillows. Okay. Oh my goodness, this was a headache. They turned out awful. I mean horrible, and the fabric that they send was like they're in remnants. I don't know if you can see the little holes in there. The shapes are all crazy, but it's my first one, and I'm very pleased with how it came out. So I'm going to put the pillows up and hope they don't fall down. And try to hide all the ugliness. Oh my goodness. Okay, that one is so small. That one just like really try to hide that. And hopefully they don't fall off. Okay, there we go. I don't know how well you guys can see that. And the last to finish off our little beautiful evening. Nope, I have one more thing. Pictures. So I did put some of this backing on it. This one is thicker because I did have a hard time with the one from the double-sided from the dollar store. So I'm going to put that one there, and this one here. I hope that's even. Ooh. See, I can knock this whole thing over with my big hands. Okay. I think this one is a little crooked. Oh, shoot. And, oh, I can't really tell. Okay, that's as good as I can get it right now. And let's have a toast. I don't drink this often. Matter of fact, I can't remember the last time. One for you. Cheers. And one for me. A nice little Coca-Cola. Okay, you guys. Tell me what you think. I'm going to give you a better view. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put this back. Put a little more light on the subject. Let's see if I should cut that off. Let you guys see how that looks. You guys ready? Okay. And here we go, you guys. Okay. And this is my little, there's my light. Let's see how that looks. There we go. It did come with a little plexiglass here that I can cover up. So what do you think? Okay, I hope you guys like it, and I'm looking forward to making another one. Just